Now, it's possible you may want to have a different platform for different kinds of offers. And so you can use other educational platforms in order to do that via Zapier. Assuming that you have a Zoom webinar already set up, you can connect that Zoom webinar to a specific purchase within your ThriveCart system. And while we are using ThriveCart for the sake of example, you can use other systems as long as they integrate with Zapier. Now in this case, we are going to edit our product. What we want to do is to make sure that the individuals that purchase the original offer are added to a specific webinar. And to do that, we are going to set up our shopping cart along with Zoom as the action. And we're going to set the trigger to be a specific purchase. We're now going to click Try It. Once we've set up our shopping cart, we're going to find our specific product. And once we've mapped the specific product, we can then move through the process. In setting up the trigger, we do want to make sure that our Zoom account is connected to Zapier. We're going to click Continue after we state that we want to create a webinar registrant. We're going to choose our specific webinar and then make sure to map the email and first name. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.